If you have watched my previous video about the bull run of property prices since 2021, then it wouldn't be news to you when I say that there has been a general rise in property prices today. Let me ask you a question you have only kept to yourself up to now. Is it a good time to buy properties right now, even at its high price?
So the big question is this: how busy professionals and homeowners like us make six-figure profits from the property we own safely by doing it with research, data, and numbers. How do we buy in a way without complications and half-guessing, regardless of the market conditions, and still remain profitable? That is the question. Here, I will share with you exactly what we do and how we do it. My name is Edmund, and welcome to Singapore Real Estate Insider.
Hey everyone, it's me, Edmund Tan, your Singapore Real Estate Insider. Welcome to our latest video where I'll answer this perhaps unspoken question about investing in real estate. I invite you to look back at the property prices in the last decade. Accordingly to REI, there has been a 0.7 price increase in private homes in just 3 months to March of 2022. Prior to this, there has been an average of 0.4% growth. You can also see the decline in prices from 2014 to early 2018. But a quick sustained recovery afterwards. Last year, private home prices rose by 10.6%, sharply picking up from a 2.2% growth in 2020. So the question is, am I too late to purchase a property right now? In 2009, many Singaporeans grabbed the opportunity to purchase a home at low rates, thanks to the global financial crisis. Back then, the economy made strategic moves to recover by keeping interest rates and buyer's stamp duty low. Next thing you know, citizens were met by a 62% increase in just 17 quarters. In 2017, the government imposed a 5% ABSD to cool down the market. This intervention only allowed buyers to resell their properties after 4 years. In 2017, graced a slow growth in property prices but had a quick step on the increase as the economy strengthened by 2018 and private properties rose again by 9%. Even the proactive government Singapore rolled out another round of cooling measures to keep the property market under control. Yet here is a curious thing. People continue to buy in 2020 after COVID-19 happened despite the craziness that was going around. I mentioned in my previous video that the primary driver of this growth in property sales is the need for bigger space, as most Singaporeans experience work from home arrangements and online classes. Those who bought properties in 2020 benefited from a 7.6% increase in property value in 2021. If you observe the property price trends in the market, every dip in prices is higher than the previous dip, and every increase is even more higher than the last price hike. That tells us to take a step back whenever we think about the right time to invest in real estate to see this in the long-term trend. Since the country is scarce in land, you can expect that majority of property investors will not resell their assets at a low rate. The demand will always be high. In 2006, Southbank launched and doubled their property values in 2007. However, the global financial crisis dragged this by 30% at a neck-breaking speed. While some had to let go of their properties, never mind their losses, yet those who held on to 4 years witnessed the growth from 2008 to 2012, enjoying a 58% increase in value. That's about $500,000 of profit, despite the decline in 2007. Now let's look at the growth in land costs from 2017. 5 years ago, the average land cost in OCR GLS was about $717 per square foot. It rose to $844 per square foot in 2018, and then it went on to an all-time high at $1,161 per square foot in 2022. That's 37.5% growth. In 2017, Park Riviera sold its 3-bedroom unit at $1.15 million. In 2021, Park Clementi's just across the former sells its 3-bedroom units at $1.6 million. Can you imagine earning that kind of revenue in just 5 years? What am I driving at? The answer to whether it's too late to purchase a property now is a resounding no. No! When you invest in properties, the best time to buy, as cliche as it sounds, is now. You want to lock in that present rate rather than the surely higher prices in future. So did this video clear your mind of doubts about buying a property? Let's talk about your best opportunities by looking at data and numbers.
Like what you're watching here in terms of understanding property using data and numbers to guide you? Smash the subscribe button now so you can get real-time updates and learn how to make wise investments for yourself and your family through properties.